Hi. In the following group of videos, we are going to discuss Power BI Desktop in details in a very practical way. Also, we are going to cover the topics included in Microsoft's PL300 exam. Before I start, I would like to introduce my training assistants. So please welcome Emma and Alex.
Hi there, I'm Emma.
Hi there, I'm Alex. We are Ahmed's virtual assistant.
Our role is to highlight crucial information and summarize key points throughout the training.
We hope you will enjoy the training.
Good luck.
So in case I feel there is a point we need to emphasize or repeat, and instead of repeating myself, I will ask Emma or Alex to repeat the same topic. But before we start, we need to discuss the main topics we need to learn in case we're going to try to take the PL 300 exam, or we are going to learn just for ourselves. PL 300 exam is required training for 3 days. Every day is supposed to be 8 hours of training with included lab. So on the first day, we should learn how to prepare the data, how to design a model. The second day, we should learn how to use DAX, how to design the report, and how to perform data analysis. And on the last day in the training, we should convert our report into a dashboard using the Power BI service and learn row-level security. Before we start, let us revise some basic concepts. PI in Power BI stands for Business Intelligence. And this term refers to delivery of accurate, useful information to a appropriate decision maker with a necessary time frame. So the main goal of Power BI is data analysis. And this data analysis is required. The final goal of it is to take better decisions. This is why we need to make sure that we deliver accurate, useful information. If the report includes accurate but not useful information, this is not correct data analysis. And if you provide useful but not accurate information, also this is not a data analysis process.